Nikihitahitano kiria gikurehete hamwe arutwo kirathi gia form 4 na form 3 kuma miena itiganite ya bururi aria makorirwo makinyita itemi kihitahitano-ini kiria kiarehete hamwe makiria ma arutwo 25,000 umuthi ngerenwa nene iria aria makuhota kwigwatira kamweke ga guthomera thukuru wa Strathmore hatari marihi marugamirirwo ni kambuni ya iria ya Brookside. Isaac Biwott kuma thukuru wa anake wa Kapsabet thiini wa kaunti ya Nandi nihinyiriirie arutwo kuhimbiria ithomo ria mathabu na kweheria murugamo wa ithomo riu ni iritu kuria ningi agathiriirie kambuni ya Brookside na thukuru wa Strathmore ni undu wa kunyitirira ciana ki mathomo.
For the students who have been exposed to this contest, they have shown some willingness to do maths. In fact, it is building their confidence.
Arutwo aria magwikinyitie kihitahitano-ini giki gia ithomo ria mathabu ni mayukirie kanya kau na ngatho makiuga ni mateithikite muno ni mutaratara ucio na njira ya kwandanduka kimeciria. O murutwo akionania mwihoko munene kuhotana kihitahitano-ini kiu na gukegwatira kanya gukarugamirirwo mathomo-ini make.
Questions are in the syllabus, but they need critical thinking. So basically, I think I've done my best and I think I will get good results.
Maths helps us in our day-to-day activities, in all the calculations, we do everything. Yeah, and I hope that I'm going to win the contest at large. Yeah, thank you.
Peter Wasonga na ule ni murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa wendia kambuni-ini ya Brookside augite mambiriirie na ithomo riri ria ithabu na ria science kona arutwo mangiyukia mathomo maya no makorwo magika wega mathomo-ini.
And once the children change that perception of mathematics, then it's easy for them to be taught other subjects like physics, biology, history and so forth.
Ona kuri uguo augite arutwo aria makuhituka kihitahitano-ini giki no nginya makahituka kigeranio-ini kinene gia KCSE niguo gukinya grade ya kumetikiria guthie university.
Winning the scholarship, you still have to do well in your final exams and to definitely also meet the entry requirement. But so far, the ones who have won have always been also among the top performing students.
Wasonga ni oritie mathukuru mothe kuhimbiria kihitahitano giki na kuhe arutwo kanya ga guthima na hinya ki mathomo na ciana iria ingi akiuga arutwo ni maharirikaga wega ki mathomo.